Pleased that the least are satisfied. I'm certain if there were a monster roaming around northern England, we'd have seen it on the telly.
Teletubbies?
I don't watch those political broadcasts.
That's an insult, you old bag of gas.
I'm holding it like I'm an old bag of gas.
But I will include several of our actors in a rundown of who's who in this movie. We have to begin with David Naughton, who's done horror stories like Sharknado 5, Global Swarming, American Horror Story, Clint Howard's Ice Cream Man, and seriously, Attack of the Killer Chickens, the movie.
Yep.
It's based on when they go into the coffin and they throw He's a very versatile actor, having starred in Michael J. Fox's first movie, Midnight Madness, Hot Dog the Movie,
Hot Dog,
including Sister Sam with Pam Dauber, and 1979's Making It, whose theme song he sang that hit the top 5 in disco songs.
Memories.
In the memorable Dr. Pepper commercial, is he still a pepper? I guess he still is. His late pal Jack is Griffin Dunn.
Effing Chad.
Movies like After Hours, but went on to direct films like Practical Magic, who was on shows like This Is Us, and Steve Martin and Martin Short's Only Murders in the Building.
That is just so cool.
Our lovely nurse Alex is, of course, Jenny Agutter, best remembered for starring in Logan's Run with Michael York. She was in The Snow Goose with Richard Harris, did lots of Shakespeare, and a Shakespeare-related play about Othello with none other than Blackula himself, William Marshall.
Oh, simply wonderful.
Recently,
Yes.
he played a nurse again in Call the Midwife,
Which is premiering
and
tomorrow.
movies like Captain America: The Winter Soldier.
Oh,
and
my movies.
The Avengers.
Goodbye, guys.
Dr. Hirsch John Woodbine has appeared in a vintage Doctor Who storyline.
Who? What? Wait.
Like all creatures great and small.
That's me. And also Grogu and the dogs and hey, is that Doc Martin? Doc Martin is known as best medicine in America now. So
I didn't understand a word of that.
neither did I. Sorry, guys.
Collins from the U.S. Embassy. He's none other than a founding member of the Muppets, Frank Oz, who's voiced multiple Muppet characters like Miss Piggy and Star Wars icon Yoda.
A baby version of you, Grogu.
Especially Piggy. She gave him one of those, yes. Here he is.
Absolutely.
Svengoolie store is open for business.
Mm.
At the store, you'll know you.
Absolutely.
With official Svengoolie t-shirts, hoodies,
Ooh,
and access to
nice. The mug and the shirt is fan made though. Sorry. Anyways.
Svengoolie.com today. And remember,
Hey, hang on. I thought. What was that again, Zen? I'm so sorry. I was just. Anyways, let me just back it. The shirt is cool. My shirt is fan made though, so sorry. Anyways, that mug is fan made too, so sorry about that.
so much more. To get these official Svengoolie items, head over to Svengoolie.com today. And
Remember, guys. Absolutely, guys. Remember that. Once again, that's pacing out jerks. You got that right, guys? Oh man, hang on. I'm gonna have to put you down, Grogu.
Svengoolie.com today. And remember,
Hang on. Okay, now then. Okay, now we're done. Let me just get you guys in there so we can have you in the thumbnail. Oh, my goodness. There's just so many of you guys. I may have to get rid of you, Hulkbuster, Donald Duck, and you, Grogu. Although you have the movie coming up, so that's cool. Anyways, let me just, there you go.